How to redeem Eneba code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Eneba code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate the Eneba gift card, you must have an Eneba account and follow these steps. First, log in to your Eneba account. Second, tap on your account icon in the upper right corner of the page. Third, select the balance option and in the open dashboard window, select redeem gift card on the left. Now, enter your gift card code and hit the apply button. If you entered the code correctly, then your Eneba code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem Eneba code. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.